Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I've got an 8 by 10 inch canvas and a request to do an 8 by 10 inch canvas painting that's similar to something that's an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and it's a challenge. But since I just did one I liked a lot, I might just go to that place. That's Decorated Americana 24 karat gold. The canvas itself is painted with mead and black. Just trying to get all the paint I can off of my spatula. Now, where's my orange crush? My saffron. And maybe some dancing fuchsia. Or Miami magenta. So that's the orange crush. This is the saffron. This is the Miami magenta. I think I'm going to go there. And risk a little dancing fuchsia. And I'm going to also use my rubber brush, which is not something I'm used to doing for something so small. I don't think it's going to take me any less time to do a small painting than a large one, to tell you the truth. It might take longer. I like that dancing fuchsia and that Miami magenta in there so much, I'm going to put it back since I seem to have gotten rid of it. I suppose I can always fix it later. Now some dazzling white. Being called to some of that wonderful green apple, sour apple. Which happens to have some bubbles in it. Which in this case are better popped with a skewer than anything else. I want a little blue. I gotta put the label on the right side of this. I believe it's Indigo Violet. I want some cerulean blue. But first I've got blue velvet, which I know might need a shake. And I heard the call to some periwinkle, but I still want cerulean blue. It definitely needs to have its tip cleaned out, but we'll try and make do. Got my studio sponge, and I'm going to use it right after I wipe off most of the paint on my brush. More thoroughly. I wonder if I can get any more out of there. Not much, just a little. Maybe it'll be enough. You know, I didn't use any gold for any waggles, and it's going to come out really wide, so I'm a little nervous. I'm being called to red violet, and I don't have a lot left. I think if I can get some out, I'm going to use it as another line. Kind of like that. Kind of feeling like using a little bit of Miami Magenta in a little container. If I leave it blobby enough, I might be able to keep the color saturation. Kind of hoping so. Now, I don't often use the pointy end of the skewer, but I like to. And this is more or less the perfect opportunity since we're working so small. Kind of feeling like some blue next. The blue velvet. I've also got Majestic blue. Not sure I'm done yet. I'm going to call that good for right now. That's kind of cute. I like it. So it's been overnight, and I want to do some stuff to this now that it's dry. And the colors I'm going to use are going to be Dazzling White and Decor Americana 24 karat gold, some Majestic blue, probably a little cyan aqua, definitely some yellow orange, and a little dancing fuchsia. So I'm going to start with the Majestic blue, and then I'm going to fast forward through everything. That was fun. Not sure which way is up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.